When I first found out I was expecting little Atlas here, we were actually on our way to a family vacation in North Carolina. We couldn't resist telling the family when we got there because we were so excited.
When I first learned I was going to become a mom, I couldn't wait to see my little bundle's face. I dreamed about all the moments that we were going to have together.
When I was expecting my first baby, I was excited to start the journey and become a mother and meet my little one. One thing that I was curious and anxious about was the labor and delivery.
I didn't want to wear a traditional hospital gown because it feels so clinical and sterile. I wanted to be comfortable and wear something breathable. I teach yoga and I wear breathable clothes all the time. I like to move freely.
I was probably really nervous about wearing a hospital gown, just the fact about being completely exposed.
I'm Julie Berg, a mom of 2 and owner and designer of Dress to Deliver. I knew that there had to be another option, so I created other designs for the traditional hospital gown that were comfortable, modest, and stylish and versatile so that you could wear it during pregnancy as a maternity dress. They can be worn during labor and delivery as they have the abdominal snaps for fetal monitoring for C-section incision and healing. They have the snaps in the back should you require an epidural or IVs, and it completely unsnaps at the bottom to get the dress out of the way during actual delivery. They can also be used during your checkups and your ultrasounds and as a postpartum nursing dress.
I found the Dress to Deliver and realized that it was a 3-in-1 gown that I could wear as a maternity dress and wear at the hospital actually giving birth, and giving me an opportunity to wear something that was comfortable, something that was my own, that was personalized, that was colored. And
it's nice to wear something I chose for my delivery, and then being able to continue to wear it afterwards.
The 3-in-1 Dress to Deliver gown is really my go-to baby shower gift. I've given it to both of my sister-in-laws now. One was pregnant with twins and she used it for her delivery. She had 2 epidurals and she wore it the whole time in the hospital and she absolutely loved it. When I was getting checked at my midwife appointments, it was really great. You can wear it to the office and then again for after. So it is just great that you can wear it for so many applications.
The one thing I'd like to share with mothers about Dress to Deliver gowns is that they allow you to be yourself and be comfortable while you're expecting the most important thing in the world.
Wearing a hospital gown is not necessary. You're not a patient in the hospital, so there's no reason to be wearing some type of really uncomfortable, sterile piece of clothing that's not yours.
And you need that comfort when you're in such a compromising position, having a baby.
Every mom-to-be deserves to feel comfortable and beautiful on such a momentous occasion. If you want more information and to see the different designs of the Dress to Deliver 3-in-1 gown, visit www.dresstodeliver.com.